Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the gold market. On the daily chart we do not need any updates because you can see markets forming inside sessions one by one. So this was 3 days ago, mostly inside session. Here's again. Yesterday again was minor session. So here we just keep valid this pattern, at least until market stands above these lows. This butterfly will be valid, and we suggest that its major target will work like the magnet, especially because it stands not only on the daily but on the monthly and weekly chart. So this is a very important target on all time frames. So 1450, and we suggest that market probably should hit it first before any other action will start, in particular speaking before major retracement could start on the gold market. So the most interesting for us, at least for today's session, we have on intraday charts. And first I would like to start with the hourly chart. On the hourly chart we have very important moment. So take a look what is going on here. If you remember, market here stands in the white triangle consolidation. I will show it a bit later on the 4-hour time frame chart, but we already talked about it in last week. So the triangle is not something new for us. I just remind you what our last discussion, and we said that what this point is. This could be either early upward reversal, and in this case the breakout of the triangle stands on the horizon, or this will be just a retracement, and then market will show another leg down somewhere to 1389 to the bottom of the triangle. Initially it indeed acts as a reversal, as a retracement, because we said that keep an eye on two levels. First one is 1415 area. It's OP target of this ABCD pattern stance. Next one is 1421. Until market will not break them up, do not take any long position, because any retracement until this level match to idea of the just a retracement. Because market could form garbage triple to sell, and then downward action could be reestablished. So on the first point we indeed were correct, because this ABCD action has been formed, triple two pattern has been confirmed, and market indeed has started downward action, even complete the target of this pattern, minimum target. But take a look what has happened next. Market turns to the sideways triangle. This price action doesn't correspond to idea of the downward collapse here. Usually when market shows such strong downward action, then in ABCD retracement, downward action should continue. But when it forms some kind of the bearish continuation pattern, forms ABCD retracement, but then turns flat, it means that we could get upward action. Besides, here as you can see, upward action is very strong. That makes us think that this point and overall action is not a retracement but the preparation for the upward breakout. That's the conclusion that we could make today from this consolidation that we see. Maybe some data that's released in this week, I mean the retail sales, it really could change this view if it will make significant impact on the market. But at least currently, based on the technical picture, and the price behavior, price response, on the pattern, on the resistance, makes us think that, at least based on the technical picture, the upward continuation looks more probable. Correspondingly, on 4-hour time frame chart, speaking on the hour triangle, so that was the question here, what it is. What is it? So either upward reversal or just ABCD retracement before downward action back to the border of this triangle. Currently, based on the picture that we see on the hourly chart, we dare to suggest that maybe indeed that is the just some consolidation preparation, energy building before the upward breakout. So if we will be correct, this 127 extension of this butterfly precisely stands at 1450 area. So it lets to complete all targets that we have right now in this area and finalize this upward action by this breakout. So currently, this is our view on situation. So in these circumstances, based on the situation that we have on the hourly chart, we suggest that this is not really a good moment for taking the short position. Maybe you could consider probably taking the long position on some patience. So it could be, I don't know, maybe mining guard is cheaper to buy, or here is a kind of the hand shoulders miners forming, something of that sort. But the crucial moment for this will be probably these lows of the butterfly. Or you could follow our previous plan. It is still valid as well, so you could wait from the triangle will be broken, market will move above this top, and take position in an area between 1420 to 1426, because that will be obviously the moment preparation for taking out of this top, and this will be relatively safe area for taking the position. So that's also the solution they could find here. If you would like to take the short position you on the gold market, in this case I would suggest that it's better to wait for a 1450 target. When it will be reached, that will be much better situation for taking the short position. So that's our view on the gold market.